it right now. We will run it manually once and then also do a test with scheduling. Going back to our CRM, we will be opening an account. So we are onto our account screen and we have some out of the box sample data with us. So these data will also be synced to Finops because we are not enabling any filtering right now. But for the test, we will create one account naming as Manish. We have created our recording account. We will go back here and we will run this project. So I'm not showing you on to Finops right now is the data available there or not. I will directly go to the project of that's been imported and we'll go to the document logs, job history and all that, how to see the job history, and from where we'll go to the record which is being created, which are being created. Yeah. You come here and run the project with, you can see it says execution. Click here to see the execution history, or we can directly click here and go to execution history to see whatever execution is happening right now. You can see the status is running. When it runs for the first time, it takes a little bit of time, but when you schedule for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's work fine as per the data incoming, right? If let's suppose data is 10,000, obviously 2 minutes scheduling will not work, but for a small amount of data, it works fine, perfectly. It says some error happens, so it's a good opportunity for us to check what might be the issue. So we will go to the Finops now. For troubleshooting, we will again go to data management and we'll check the project which was important, and we'll see. So this is our new project with customer V2. This is the staging table. We will check the job history. Going to the job history. It is having one job history which we recently updated and it has the same status as error. We'll go here and view the staging data. So we see here it says the error and the message would be available here. So message state that the value nm in the field state is not found in related table states. So if we scroll to the right, yeah, this is the one. So if we scroll here, we have passed the value nm in the state, right? We have Texas, TX, we have WA, all these data are there. So that means our our values, our master is not as per the Finops master. But in our CRM, the state is usually as a text. One thing we can do, we can create a state as a master in CRM and put up a lookup in account, and same we can map it with Finops. So that master should be in sync. So this is how we can troubleshoot that what the error is. Normally it shows the exact error in Finops itself, right? As you can see, if I click here, it will show me the error. It's not an issue, but it would be more visualized in Finops because there we can see the exact values. Here also you can see it's giving us the exact error. Like it says nm is in the field state is not found in Finops, right? So what we can do here, come back, search for our state, that is some garbage value. You can search. So this was our field which gave us error, right? What we will do, we will clear this field, right, and save it. Sorry. We will save this value. So let us run it again. Run the project. So again, it gave us some error. If we go here and search for the same account, and now you will see it says that country region must be filled in. Validation field. So it is a mandatory field. You can say that it requires this field to be passing through the integration. So this should be a good opportunity for us to learn about the functions, that how we can manipulate data using a function, right? I'm not suggesting to use it over the state. I'm just giving an example here, that if any data manipulation is needed, what exactly we can do to once again to overcome that. So this is our state to delivery address state. We'll go here, we'll say value mapping, and we will say here that if the value is coming from CRM as 1 to 3, please mask it with ARE. So I checked Finops, and in Finops master the state ARE as ARE refer to Dubai. So we'll save it, save the project. Now we will run it again, and what it should do is it should transform the data 1 to 3 as state to ARE, and shouldn't give us the error of state. So we will wait for it to run. I was doing some mistake. Actually, we updated our function on address to state provision 2. So we needed it to update on address 1. So I corrected it. You can see I updated it here, and still we are getting the error. But our motive of knowing that what exactly how exactly it works, it's the same. So if I go here and see the error and search for that particular record, you will see now the error is converted to the value ARE in field state is not found. That means the master in Finops, we are not able to find the exact master. That might not be correct ARE, but at least it has converted our record value, which was 1 to 3 into ARE. So I will be removing this particular mapping itself, and from here, yeah, and save it. Let's see if this particular mapping gives another error or not. We can save and run it again. So we are back. There was some data error which I needed to complete and have to run few executions, and at the end we we are successful. 97 record all are being updated in Finops now. You can dive into Finops now. Data management, and we will refresh this page to check our latest project and its job history. So opening our latest project, version v2, going to job history, going to our latest one. As you can see, it says 97 in the target, and you can see all the completed transactions here. You can actually dive into any of the record, any one of the record. Let us go with the one which we created. Yeah, here we have. So let us open this record. Yeah. The code has been successfully transferred to Finops using data integration. So I think this video went quite long. So this project was run manually. So same way we can go in and schedule it as per the frequency we want, right? And it would be running smoothly. Same way we have project item, Finops item to product. The mapping specifies source as the Finops and destination as our CE. All the default mapping are already mentioned. If there are some configuration, there are some condition, those can be managed the same way we managed our account to customer. I showed you my customer account where there was a filtering enabled, which is not there. So you can enable it to that particular section. So that's all for this tutorial. I would be uploading some tutorials on advanced query and then integration key. So thank you.